Look at that.
Mama, look at that.
This is amazing. They have such a cool play area.
Those guys are funny.
Oh, look at this beach.
Yeah, they have feathers over here.
Yeah, I've never seen that before.
Wow. Quail. Eden, what are they called? Flemish giant rabbits.
They're big.
Huge. I know. We can't pet the animals, huh? Because of COVID. But aren't they cute to look at? There's a white one over there.
Beautiful.
What
I
is
love
this?
ponies. I like horses.
I know.
Me
Michelle
too.
loves.
Michelle, you want to go one day? Let's brush their hair. Let's play therapy.
Oh!
One of those like Japanese.
Beautiful. Whoa.
This guy's like, what about me?
Yeah, look at her.
Jane's purse.
Hello.
Something about her purse. Like,
He likes my purse for some reason.
Yeah.
Oh, there's a hole right here. Oh, because there's a hole.
oh, maybe he thinks, did people feed him?
Uh-oh. Is that an illegal hole?
We just discovered.
Hello. Oh my God. Hello.
Dude.
He has a horn. Hey, Gianna. What do you call a female donkey?
Like a llama.
Jenny. Do you think this is a Jenny?
Yeah.
Yeah. At Underwood Farms, they let you use their wagons. So Gianna's gonna see if she can pull one. Right here, pick up the handle. Use your hand. She is the cutest alpaca of all time. She's so cute.
Yeah, how come he looks different from this one?
Hey, dude.
Coloring is so.
You're so... Isaac's pulling his sisters.
Isaac, you can work on the farm.
What is it called, babe? A Scottish?
Scottish Highland.
Get the call. Coming out.
Oh, he's like, oh, beautiful.
Oh, that was...
Friend.
Sting one.
Hello there.
Sting one or you sting
Look at
two?
its feathers.
This is the goat nursery. Because there's a mama with the baby there. Mama over there and a baby. And a mama over there with the baby. Gianna is having cuteness overload. Oh! More running. Ah!
There we go.
The little piggy. Hello. How are you? Are you hiding?
Yeah, I just trying to kill us.
Oh gosh. You love it here?
Yeah.
What's your favorite part so far?
I love animals, and I also love like nature and stuff.
Yeah, me too. So nice to get away, do something different, huh? Yay! Oh, did she fall? Oh no, just tying her shoes. Pot belly pig Jameson. Hello, Jameson. So
there's a puppet chicken show. Oh, well, more of them. Yeah, a pumpkin patch thing. That's the same place. Oh, these pumpkins. Oh, no, that's the same normal.
Yeah, it's a pumpkin. Oh, it's soft.
Yeah, this feels like pumpkin.
what are you guys doing?
We should hair tie your hair. Your hair is not, you guys' hair is like heavy.
They aren't they huge?
Yeah, for Halloween.
you doing? Yeah, there's a tractor guy up front. Hello. Gianna, is this fun? It's been your dream? What's been your dream? This? Climbing on the giant spider. Whoa. For real? Spider power. Whoa. How's Eden gonna get down? Joink. We're exploring in the corn. Whee! Whoa, we're in a jungle of corn.
The flowers.
With flowers. Whoa, be careful.
I'm coming.
Ah! Ah! Oh no, Dave is running. He's gonna scare somebody. Ah! Whoa. Oh, you can see all the way. Jeez. Ah! Hey, they're going so far ahead. Hi, Michelle. Hi, Michelle. This is the pumpkin that we're calling a what?
Zombie pumpkin.
Zombie punky.
Zombie pumpkin.
Dun dun dun.
Oh, the doggo.
Go up there, Gianna, go.
Oh, they're so big.
Oh, they're all coming. They're fighting. Oh, they want to take. They don't want to take turns. Oh.
Oh my gosh, he's so beautiful.
Babe, can you take Gianna? Hold Gianna.
Hold her.
Oh my god. Hi, baby.
Wow. So big. So big and strong, huh? Look how big and strong they are.
My phone died.
You want to feel? You want to feel?
Thank you so much.
Is this one a female?
Eden, go ahead.
The old boy?
Wow.
I know, it's so powerful.
It's the same age, but it's horse and then pony. It's so small. The little goats into the shelter because it's gonna rain.
These other goats
Yeah,
are all
it's
like
gonna
they're
rain.
scared. They're like,
No, don't touch me. They got all the mamas. It's just the babies left. We'll trap them right there.
he's pretty fast. He's really fast. Their moms are not that fast.
Steve, go under the. No!
Eden's trying to. Is it heavy? Whoa. Is it hard?
Jenny picked up that cat. Look at it. Oh my goodness. I guess the cat wants to be pet. I guess the cat really likes to be petted. Bye, cat. Or maybe not.
I ate all the pumpkins in the whole entire. I named that one, that one. I named that one Gabby. I named that one Babby. I named that one Mabby. I named that one Labby. I named that one Gary. I named that one Matt.
You have a little shop. You buy fresh produce.
Mom, we got home. Mom, we got home.
Is that Jenny?
Kids, say bye, Underwood Farms.
Bye.
Adios.
Bye, Underwood Farm.
I got pictures of Jenny. I think, yeah.
Till next time.